Get my dream? It's embarrassing to admit, but my biggest dream is to go to France. I dream of starting a business selling sunscreen on a very famous nudist beach there.
You can't let go of your status?
No. Hydra exists to maintain a balance among Mafia gangs. I can do without personal power and status, but I can't allow it to shake the clan's very foundation.
Aniki! Those are the jerks!
Are from headquarters? I am so sorry. We'll be out of here immediately. Sorry. I'll never show my face here again. We are so sorry.
Well, that's enough for tonight. You have an SS-ranked mission tomorrow. Time to go get some sleep.
What? Over already? But I was just getting started. Tomorrow night, after completing the mission, I'm going to go all out drinking.
I don't know whether it's foolishness or overconfidence on your part, but no one has ever been able to return from there alive.
Don't worry, we aren't here to be cannon fodder. Miss Makoto, check please.
Whoa, Aniki, when did you remember her name?
Mr. Gattuso has had to put up with a lot already. Please consider the octopus pellets on the house. If it's not too much trouble for Mr. Gattuso, I hope to see you again really soon.
You can hold your drink well. You have a pretty assistant, and I also approve of your taste in cars. What's more important, you have a sense of responsibility.
Thank you.
Real men are like us. They talk with nonchalance even when carrying a mountain on their shoulders. Men are born to bear burdens in this world.
Whoa, Aniki, even you were starting to talk like that? All that Yakuza talk sure is contagious. Hey!
From this moment on, I will consider you my trusted friend. After this mission, you're invited to my wedding.
Suddenly, I find myself the honored guest of the Gattusos.
And not just as an important guest. We are practically comrades in arms, Gen-kun.
Aniki! Hurry! Gen-kun!
foolish people's friendship seems cheaply bought. And yet, it can't be nice to be foolish once in a while. I've just been informed that some dragon embryos, suspected first-generation ones at that, are becoming more active. We have already placed the area under quarantine. Come with me to Sumeru Throne right away. The Trieste, our nuclear-powered submarine, will then take you to the bottom of the Mariana Trench.
I'm getting excited just hearing about it. Do you have a specific battle plan?
The Trieste will be equipped with Mama Taro. Even though we call it a nuclear bomb, it actually uses high-grade sulfur and mercury to damage the dragons.
Momotaro! That's so cute.
No. Over there you will find the mission plan. Please study it. Our mission objective is to eradicate any embryo exhibiting abnormalities.
No problem.
Okay.
Can I say? I can help you guys by remotely controlling the submarine. Hanuki, why are you covering my mouth?
Now that the preparations are over, please come with me to Sumeru Throne. I give you Unsinkable Sumeru Throne, a joint venture between Ganryu Research Center and Hadaka Construction. Sumeru Throne is secured to the seafloor by 16 iron anchors. It's Hydra's sea fortress.
What on earth is happening here? It feels like we are going to war.
This is how we Japanese operate. We treat everything like we're going to war, forever standing on the edge of the precipice in order to survive. It's much like holding a sword. Once you place your hand on the hilt, you should never let go.
Pressure test complete. Propulsion system test complete. Full function test and full load test in position.
Preliminary check is complete. The vessel is in fine condition. Please gather your team and prepare to submerge.
This'll be an eventful night.
We can make it, right, Haruki?
So, the elites from headquarters are all here. Maki, you still haven't answered my question from last time.
Oh, you shouldn't have said such things to others. You'd better think about what to do tonight.
Well, if we can get through this time, don't turn me down.
Whoops.
That's weird. Isn't Japanese mythology all about Izanagi and Izanami? Isn't the Japanese emperor descended from the gods? Have they ever had a dragon resurrection in Japan?
I asked Diva to run searches for me. No trace of dragon presence in Japan. Cleaner than anywhere in the world.
I wonder where these Japanese hybrids could have come from.
Who knows? The hybrids of Japan, like Japanese myths, defy explanation. Maybe we'll find out more during our underwater trip today.
Shiseigen has completed his checks. Let's do this and write a new chapter in history.